01. The baking soda method, your secret weapon for sparkling whites. Why waste money on fancy detergents when you can use something as simple as baking soda to get your socks looking brand new? No need to break the bank on overpriced laundry products when you can use baking soda. This powerhouse neutralizes acids in dirt, lifting stains from fabric like a pro. Just add 1 cup of baking soda to a tub of warm water, let those socks soak for 30 minutes, and voila, they'll look fresh again. The alkaline properties break down oils and grime, ensuring a pristine finish without compromising fabric integrity. Pro tip, it's simple science. Baking soda's chemical makeup ensures that your socks maintain their softness while still scrubbing away stubborn grime. Next time you've got dingy whites, just soak them in this magical powder and you'll have results that beat any store-bought cleaner. 02. Vinegar and water, the power duo to fight stubborn stains. The magic of white vinegar lies in its ability to break down mineral deposits and grime that cause socks to lose their vibrancy. Add just a quarter cup of vinegar to a large tub of warm water and let your socks soak for up to an hour. The acetic acid in vinegar gently lifts dirt and oil, working like a charm without damaging the fabric. This method is so effective, it's almost as if vinegar was made for laundry. Pro tip, this isn't just about stain removal, it's about restoring the integrity of the fabric. Vinegar neutralizes detergent buildup, keeping your socks soft and fresh for longer. No harsh chemicals, just pure natural power. 03. The citrus and sun trick, harnessing nature to brighten your socks. Lemon juice is an all-natural bleaching agent. When combined with the sun's UV rays, it's a dynamic duo that can revive your socks without any toxic chemicals. Just mix my cup of lemon juice in warm water and soak your socks for 20 minutes. The citric acid in lemon lifts stains and brightens fabric, while the sun acts as a natural lightener. Pro tip, don't forget to hang your socks outside in direct sunlight for the ultimate whitening effect. The sun's rays boost the lemon's power, stripping away stains while maintaining fabric integrity.